You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to download videos from Reddit. This process requires using a third-party website as Reddit does not have a built-in download button. First, open your web browser and go to reddit.com to find the video post you want to download. Navigate to the specific post with the video and click on it. To open the full post page, now look at the address bar at the top of your browser and copy the full URL of this Reddit page. Next, open a new browser tab and go to a trusted Reddit video downloader website like redditsave.com or savefrom.net. In the input box on this downloader site, paste the Reddit URL that you just copied. Then, click the download button or similar prompt on the website. The site will process the link and then present you with available download options, usually in different qualities like MP4 or with sound. Choose your preferred video quality and click the download link provided. Your browser will then download the video file directly to your computer's default downloads folder. You can now find and play the video file offline from your local storage. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.